Hello, and welcome to another episode of our podcast series, Got 5 Minutes, where we explore something new in the fintech space in less than 5 minutes of your time. So, got 5 minutes? Great! Let's talk about the new standard of digital banking. This is Azmeen Ansar, Marketing Manager at Credolab, and today I have with me Shardul Narang, Regional Business Development Manager for APAC at Fern Software. Hi Shardul, and thank you for joining us today. Let's begin by talking a little bit about Fern Software and your product Abacus.
Thanks for having me, Azmeen, and hello to everyone. I'm Shardul Narang and I handle business development for Fern Software across Asia Pacific and Middle East and Africa. So Fern Software was established 40 years ago, what seems a lifetime ago, in Northern Ireland with a vision to enable socially oriented financial institutions to have a modern, profitable banking platform in a competitive sector across emerging markets. And we've made this possible through continuous redevelopment and innovation to allow our clients and their end consumers to benefit from the latest technology. To date, we have clients in over 35 countries, and we've developed an entirely digital banking platform for retail and SME banking. Our flagship product, Abacus, provides financial institutions with a complete front to back end of functionality, maximum degree of flexibility and configurability with an open architecture for real-time third-party integrations. Our solution supports both on-premise and cloud hosting. We have a long, successful track record in tailoring this digital core banking platform for the financial institutions and deploying an integrated platform in challenging markets with tight timelines and budget constraints.
All right, so how does Abacus work with Credolab? Give us a little picture of what the partnership brings to the table for anyone who's interested in this solution.
Sure. So Credolab's digital scorecards are based on smartphone metadata that are crucial, especially at a time like today when getting financial assistance is of paramount importance, whilst making sure that the credit control is in place. So Credolab's AI-powered credit assessment algorithm requires nothing but consented, non-personal metadata from the smartphone devices to tell lenders who are the ones most likely to default. This, tied to Fern's digital core banking system, can work wonders in two folds. One, for those markets where a large part of the population are unbanked or do not have financial records in the traditional sense to get credit. And second, where lenders are looking for an end-to-end digital solution to improve the back-end in addition to customer experiences. So to give you an example of a practical use case, imagine a customer has downloaded the mobile app from Credolab, for example. For taking a loan, all the customer needs to do is provide consent, and all the data will be collected automatically by the mobile app. Based on the pre-configured engine, the Credolab AI algorithm generates a score. Now this score then gets pumped into the Abacus core banking system, where based on the score, the financial institution can decide how they want to treat the loan. And not just the credit decision, but also you can vary based on the workflow and approvals. For example, if the credit score is X, you can give a particular loan amount, but if the credit score is low, you can either reduce the credit loan amount or bring in additional steps or workflows or approval layers to then decide on the credit decision. All this can be automated and can be done basically with minimal human intervention to not only improve the speed of decision making, but also provide quick assistance, financial assistance to your end consumers.
All right, so can you highlight the business benefits for banking and non-banking financial institutions by giving us a small use case of how a business would use this partnered solution?
Sure. So our view is quite common with majority of the others. We believe that financial institutions can and should leverage on fintech innovations. For example, like we discussed earlier, leveraging smart data can drive dynamic credit decisioning, open banking for widespread and easy access to financial services, and competitive pricing. By integrating with fintechs and leveraging on the most useful and relevant features will lead to quick and easy journey for the financial institutions towards a technology optimized platform and services. So in a nutshell, leveraging digital and innovative technologies that are powered by AI platforms will help make the financial institutions business more agile and averse to the risk presented by unfamiliar circumstances like we all are today. This will in turn equip them with the right tools to continue catering to the ever-evolving customer needs, regulatory requirements, and highly competitive business of the financial market.
Thank you so much, Shardul. With that, we come to an end of our episode. To our listeners, please head to Credolab and Fern's software partner page linked along with this podcast to know more about the joint offering. And as usual, keep an eye out for our next episode as we venture into new areas of fintech space along with our guest speakers. Until then, take care and stay safe.